New York Fashion Week. No invites? No problem. Before I started diving into my own experience, I wanted to get clear on this event. What even is this New York Fashion Week that everyone is so obsessed with? This is what the official New York Fashion Week website says. The show is the preeminent New York Fashion Week destination at the storefront of shaping culture, trends, and the evolution of American fashion. New York Fashion Week. The show provides leading designers from around the world with an unrivaled global platform to showcase their collections biannually every February and September. From the outside looking in, here's my perception of New York Fashion Week. A semi-annual week when designers flaunt creativity with new designs they feature in exclusive shows that are often reserved for industry professionals, distinguished influencers, or other important people. But when that week rolls around each February and September, it definitely feels like a week-long holiday in the city when fashion is celebrated. I see so many more photo shoots going on during those weeks than usual, and social media buzzes with fashion-oriented content. And these are truly great ways to celebrate New York Fashion Week for most of us fashion lovers who otherwise just feel like outsiders to the whole thing. Plus, this is a great opportunity to celebrate your style too, not just designers. So grab a friend or a tripod and get ready to create your best looks. I don't know about you, but I don't have enough opportunities to dress fancy. So I created one. I met up with a friend at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City where we planned to enjoy a fancy night on the town. I went for an outfit that felt like it could have been from a different era. A green velvet dress, no label, sorry, with a cream-colored gold trimmed scarf by And Other Stories, and faux translucent tights from Amazon because it was cold outside. I ditched my shoes for the photos because rain boots just didn't feel right with this outfit, but I needed them for practicality. Based on the photos and videos I've seen of runway shows, sometimes it seems like the designer's goal is to push the envelope with their creativity, to the point that I question how many people would really wear the piece on the model. I only buy clothes that I think I'll actually wear, so I reached for a very daring piece that I haven't chosen in many years. You don't have to go this wild, just try something that goes beyond your comfort zone. Street style is fashion that has emerged from the wild, not from fashion gurus and designers. It has a focus on current trends, so it's different all around the world. Since I live in New York, I aimed to combine a few different trends in the city right now. I went for a casual cold weather look, wearing a white graphic tee with high-waisted jeans, a black wool coat, Doc Marten boots, a simple updo with a gold claw clip, and a red scarf for a pop of color. Don't use fashion trends as a rule book. Use them as inspiration and guidance at your discretion, and throw it out the window if you don't like it. And if you bring a new idea or want to bring back an old idea, be the trendsetter. In this case, I definitely brought back old ideas because I put together an original outfit with a few pieces that could be trendy if it caught on, such as my bowler hat, a vest, or interestingly decorated flats. And the look ended up having a much more vintage feel than I'd originally intended, but styles do circulate, so who knows? I was worried about being cold, so I wore pants, but the moment I left my building, I instantly regretted it because I think a skirt would have given this outfit a much needed breath of playfulness. Fashion is about trends and rules. It can be fun and inspiring, but style is about you. I believe in focusing more on style than fashion. Wear whatever makes you feel more like you, whether that means an outfit that reflects your mood, your current stage of life, or that you just like. And don't get me wrong, I enjoy fashion, so I'd love to go to a New York Fashion Week show. But until then, I'll just have to create the show myself, and so can you. P.S. The New York Fashion Week website usually hosts at least one event that you can stream online, so we can all watch an event together virtually.